Welcome to our aircraft factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how airplanes are assembled, step by step.
Every panel is shaped and drilled to exacting standards, ensuring structural integrity and adherence to global safety protocols.
Every wing is engineered for strength, balance, and efficiency.
Torque is calibrated. Check the primary conduits.
Conduits checkout. Running level 2 diagnostics.
Thousands of connections power navigation and flight systems.
Lift sequence engaged. Confirm alignment on section 4.
Copy that. Alignment confirmed. Move to install.
Each aircraft receives multiple protective paint layers.
Every airplane undergoes rigorous safety checks.
And that's how airplanes are assembled, read from start to finish.